Hello, welcome to Programming Fundamentals. I'm going to walk through Tutorial 2-1 and Tutorial 2-2. If you'd like to follow along, I'm in Chapter 2 on page 62. To begin the tutorial, you're going to want to start the Alice and create a new world. So with my Alice folder already open, I'm going to double click on my Alice program and launch the program. I'm then going to open up a blank template. In this case, I'm going to use the grass template. Click open. At this point, I want to add a new object. We want our hair object to move up 1 meter and then come back down to the ground 1 meter. So I'm going to add an object. That's the green button. This opens up my Alice gallery. I can then scroll through the gallery. I want the animal folder. And I'm going to scroll to the right till I see the hair object. Click once, add an instance to the world. This adds my object into my Alice world. Click done. At this point, I'm going to add in instructions for my hair object to follow. So click on the hair object in the object tree. In the details panel, it populates with instructions. We're going to use the move instruction. Click and drag this instruction into the method editor. Release the click. You have to put in a direction that you want the hair to move and the amount. So we want to move up 1 meter. If I push play, I've now created my first animation. Let me restart. Let's continue with 2.1. We're going to have a hair move. And this time we're going to move down 1 meter. Push play. And that completes tutorial 2-1. At this point, I'm going to keep my Alice world open and continue on to 2.2, which begins on page 67 in your textbook. In 2.2, we're going to add in additional primitive methods into the Alice world. The other method we're looking at is the turn method. So when I have the hair turn, I can click and drag. Notice the green line tells me where it's going to drop this instruction. I want this instruction tile to drop between the move up and move down. Release the click, turn left, 1 revolution. Now push play. I can see my hair execute each instruction one after another. So it moved up, it turned left, and then it moved down. I'm going to add one final primitive method. That's the hair say method. Click and drag. By default, you have hello or goodbye. I'm going to select other. It pulls up a dialog box so I can type in other instructions. The other instruction would be that was fun. Click OK. Now push play. Moves up, spins, moves down, and says that was fun. Important thing to note, each instruction takes exactly 1 second to execute. So if you want a statement to stay on the screen longer, you're going to select the More Editing tag, select Duration, and you can select other amounts that the statement will stay on. So duration 2 seconds means that this instruction is going to take 2 seconds to execute. Push play, move up, move down, and that was fun. Stays on the screen just a little bit longer. That's the end of tutorial 2-2.